Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instacart location so you can shop and deliver in the area you prefer. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the top right corner. This opens a screen with different sections and options. Next, tap the setting icon at the top. In the settings screen, look for the account section. Here you will see three options: personal information, address and smart shop preference. Tap on address. This opens a new screen where you can either search for a new address using the search bar or use your current location. Once you select your preferred location, it will open a screen with a map preview and fields like street address, floor and business name. The zip code will be auto-filled for you. Please make sure to fill the fields if you want or leave as it is, as it is optional. After that, tap the save address button at the bottom and your location is now successfully updated, and you can see it within the choose address screen. The Instacart will use the new address for the future purpose, and that's it. Updating your location is very quick, easy and helps you get orders in the area that is most convenient for you. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.